Congratulations to you if you click on this video, because I'm going to share with you unusual recipe, the avocado bread. In this video, we're going to use avocado to replace margarine or butter in our bread making. I'm going to share with you the recipe at the end of this video. That is the measurement at the comment section, description section, and at the end of this video. So we're going to use two medium-sized avocado that are very soft. It must be very soft for you to be able to blend it with the flour. So I'm using it. You can see how I'm scoping with spoon to tell you that it's very soft. Now if you have a blender, it will do the job. First of all, blend the avocado and then you can pour it into the mixture. But for now, I'm going to use just a spoon and I'm going to mix it gradually. So anywhere you are, in the village, in the city, you should be able to replicate this bread, and it's going to be delicious. I tell you, I assure you that everything I'm going to use here are organic. So we are going to make one of the healthiest bread you can ever find. So I'm going to mix gradually, pressing the avocado. You can see how the crumbs look like. At this point, I decided to turn it on the table so that I'll be able to access everything smoothly. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video. Click on the like button. It will inspire me to create more authentic video as a food scientist, to create more videos that you've never seen. This will add to your baking skills. So I'm going to sprinkle the yeast at this point. Observe that I did not add the yeast at the beginning. I have to blend the avocado with the flour first before adding any other thing. So I decided to add some milk. I just bought sachet milk and decided to use mini sachet milk to boost the taste and the flavor of the bread. Is going to be amazing, I tell you the truth. So mix these two dry ingredients together with the flour and the avocado. After that, create another space and then add salt. Just sprinkle a little quantity of salt, then about 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 egg, which is very important, and then you mix again. You see, you mix it step by step. Just follow the procedure, follow the process, and enjoy the process with me. Now I'm going to add water gradually, just in bits. Add little, you mix with your hands, and then you add again. You mix until the desired consistency is achieved. Wow, this is going to be amazing. Now you should also observe that the greenish nature of the avocado is not actually showing. You can use more quantity if you want, but I decided to use 2 medium size of avocado to get the job done. So you can see the color is not the same with that of normal flour. So at this point, we are going to allow it to rest. Just sprinkle, put it in my plate and sprinkle a little dry flour to prevent stickiness and close. Allow it for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it has kicked. So the yeast is working. It did not prevent the yeast from working. So if it does not prevent the yeast from working, then it's a perfect recipe. So at this point, you don't have to knead it too much. Just pet the dough, mold it to the shape you desire, shape and size you want, and then pan it. I've already greased my pan, with margarine. This is the only part that we apply a little margarine just to prevent stickiness. So you cover it and allow it to kick for at least 30 minutes. So for 30 minutes, let's look at it now. You can see how beautiful it looks and it's 80% filled. So at this point, we are going to send it to the oven, and I'm going to use my drum oven so that wherever you are, there will be no excuse. In the village, wherever you can replicate this recipe. I'm trying to make it so simple and easy. So during the baking, the oven was open when it was not supposed to be open. It was not yet time, and my bread collapsed. My bread just collapsed, but because fresh air entered the oven and the bread just collapsed. All the same, it came out very beautiful and nice. So after 50 minutes of baking, this is what we have. You can see how beautiful it looks, and let me flip it to see the inside. This is our avocado bread. You can see how wonderful it looks. Assuming it was not open for it to collapse, you can see that it come out very nice. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.